last week we finished this. ಛಾಯಾತ್ಮಜಾರ್ಥಪಶುಭೃತ್ಯ ಗ್ರಹಾಪ್ತವರ್ಗಾನ್ ಪುಷ್ಣಾತಿ ಯತ್ಪ್ರಿಯಚಿಕೀರ್ಷೆಯ ವಿತನ್ವನ್ ಸ್ವಾಂತೆ ಸಕೃಚ್ಛ್ರಮ್ ಅವರುದ್ಧಧನ ಸದೇಹ ಸೃಷ್ಟ್ವಾಸ್ಯ ಬೀಜಮವಸೀದತಿ ವೃಕ್ಷಧರ್ಮಃ. The next one. जिह्वैकतो ममपकर्षति कर्षितर्षात् शिष्णु अन्यतस्तुगुदरं श्रवणं कुतश्चित् घ्राणोऽन्यतश्चपलदृक् क्व च कर्मशक्तिर्बह्व्यः सपत्न्य इव गेहपतिं लुनन्ति. जिह्वा एकतः ममम् अपकर्षति कर्षितर्षा शिष्णः अन्यतः त्वक् उदरं श्रवणं कुतश्चित् घ्राणः अन्यतः चपलदृक् क्व च कर्मशक्तिः बह्व्यः सपत्न्यः इव गेहपतिं लुनन्ति.
नमस्ते महोदय.
नमस्ते. So इदानीम् इन्द्रियचापल्यस्य वर्णनमस्ति. अत्र किं किं भवन्ति पूर्वं किमासीत् पूर्वस्मिन् श्लोके सः देही कथं बन्धुबान्धवान् परिवारं वितन्वन् तत्र प्रियचिकीर्षा भवन् तत्र सन् तत्र स्वान्ते सकृच्छं सर्वं नाशं विन्दति इति आसीत् पूर्वम्. इदानीं जिह्वा एकतः कति इन्द्रियाणि सन्ति? ज्ञानेन्द्रियाणि पञ्च,
कर्मेन्द्रियाणि
पञ्च ज्ञानेन्द्रियाणि. यतः अस्माकं ज्ञानं भवति किं किं कुर्वन्ति. जिह्वा एकतः अमम् अपकर्षति. अमम् इत्युक्ते कम्? अमम् एतं कं देहिनं यः शरीरी अस्ति मनुष्यम् अपकर्षति. अपकर्षणं कुर्वन्ति. अपकर्षणम् आकर्षणं कर्षणं कुर्वन्ति. अपकर्षणं कुर्वन्ति कुत्र? जिह्वा एकतः. एकतः इत्युक्ते on one hand जिह्वा रसना एकदा अपकर्षति, आकर्षणं करोति. कुतः? जिह्वा किं करोति? कस्मिन् मार्गे आकर्षणं भवति? जिह्वा चापल्येन जिह्वा अस्ति चेत् कुत्र आकर्षणं भवति?
आहारं महोदय, फूड्, मधुरम्,
आस्वादनाय, रसास्वादनाय आकर्षणं भवति. किं तत्र मधुरं भवतु, लवणं भवतु, चापल्यं भवति, स्वादु भवतु. तस्मिन् कृते पूर्वस्मिन् कुत्रचित् श्लोके आसीत् जिह्वा इन्द्रियनिग्रहणमेव सर्वजयति. जिह्वायाः अवरोधनं भवति चेत् सर्वेन्द्रियाणां जयः सिद्धः इति आसीत् पूर्वम् एवं जिह्वा एकथा मम अपकर्षति उत्तमजिह्वा उत्तमस्वादु मधुरं तच्चित् कुत्र किम् उत्तम आहारः भवतु इति आकर्षणं भवति कर् तर्षा इत्युक्ते तृष्णा पिपासा पातुम् इच्छा कदाचित् तर्षा भवति अनन्तरं पेयं भवतु इति आकर्षणं भवति अनन्तरं शिष्णः अन्यतः अन्यत् इन्द्रियमस्ति किं शिष्णः जननेन्द्रियं तत्रापि चापल्यं भवति भोगास्वादनाय चापल्यं भवति अनन्तरं त्वक् कदाचित् त्वक् स्पर्शः स्पर्शः उत्तमः भवति इति चापल्यम् अनन्तरम् उदरं श्रवणं कुतश्चित् श्रवणेन्द्रियस्य कृते आकर्षणम् उत्तमसङ्गीतं भवतु शब्दः भवतु इति जन्तवः भवन्ति पशवः भवन्ति कुत्र जिह्वा कस्यचित् पशोः जिह्वाकारणात् तत्र उदाहरणार्थं भ्रमरः अस्ति चेत् जिह्वाकारणात् उत्तम आस्वादनं भवतु यदि सः पुष्पाणां कृते आकर्षणं भवति तत्र एव नाशं प्राप्नोति तथैव तर्षा अपि कश्चित् पशुः पिपासाकारणात् अथवा तत् कुत्रचित् वा कश्चित् उत्तमपेयः भवति इति आकर्षणं प्राप्य तत्र नाशं प्राप्नोति कश्चित् पशुः जननेन्द्रियकारणात् अनन्तरम् अन्य त्वक्कारणात् उदाहरणं त्वक्कारणं त्वक् इन्द्रियस्य स्पर्शः उत्तमः भवति इति गजः करी तत्र नाशं प्राप्नोति उदरकारणात् श्रवणात् सङ्गीतं भवति चेत् उत्तमसङ्गीतं श्रुत्वा उदाहरणार्थं सा हरिणः नाशं प्राप्नोति इति भिन्नभिन्न जन्तवः पशवः भिन्नभिन्नकारणात् इन्द्रियकारणात् नाशं प्राप्नुवन्ति परन्तु मनुष्यः घ्राणः अपि अस्ति गन्धकारणात् कश्चित् पशुः मरणं प्राप्नोति परन्तु मनुष्यः कथं नाशं प्राप्नोति अधोमार्गे गच्छति मनुष्यस्य तु सर्वेन्द्रियाणि जिह्वा पिपासा अनन्तरं शिष्णः त्वक् उदरं श्रवणं घ्राणः सर्वेभ्यः कारणात् सर्वाणि इन्द्रियाणि अथवा तत्रापि आशा तत्र बहु भवति means all kinds of desires. All these are some of the animals, they have just one of these desires, right? But like a person or a man, human, is all the desires in one single deha. So that is even difficult. So च कर्मशक्ति बह्व्य सपत्न्यव गेहपतिं लुनन्ति गेहपतिः गेहः कः देहः देहः एव अस्माकं गृहमस्ति गृहपतिम् इत्युक्ते शरीरिणं तद् जीवात्मानं किं कुर्वन्ति लुनन्ति सपत्न्यः इव सपत्नी किं भवति पत्युः अन्या पत्नी सा सपत्नी भवति what do you call in English
co-wife co-wives
co-wife sapatni sa iva sapatnyah so because if there are multiple wives are there
second, third, etc.
So they lunanti means
torments
they cut lunati ityukte cut so they like they like a share and then they distribute amongst themselves so the condition of this gehapati shariri is very very difficult sapatnyeva gehapatim lunanti कर्मशक्तित् पुनः कर्मेन्द्रियाणि अतः जिह्वा इत्यादीनि ज्ञानेन्द्रियाणि कर्मेन्द्रियाणि अपि भवन्ति तत् कर्मेन्द्रियाणि अपि सन्ति शेषणः कर्मेन्द्रियम् इत्यादीनि कर्मेन्द्रियाणि अपि सन्ति अत्र दृक् अपि अस्ति चपलदृक् अन्यतः चपलघ्राणः तथा चपलदृक् चापल्येन दृष्टिः अपि अपकर्षणं करोति इति सर्वे मिलित्वा अथवा सर्वाणि इन्द्रियाणि मिलित्वा गेहपतिं लुनन्ति सपत्न्यः एव
I did not understand Bahavya Sapatnya Iva Gehapatim Lunanti.
Sapatni means husband's another wife. Sapatni.
Bahuni patnyah
Bhavyah patnyah. Bhavya is the strilinga of Bahuvachana. Bhavyah patnyah. Sapatnyah. So there are many wives of a person. They are all sapatnis. And they all share a husband. So what happens when there are these sapatnis? So we have seen all these stories and real life stories also, right? They even the Narayana in some of his stories actually, he also laments that having multiple people or multiple wives is difficult.
The correct word in English is co-wife, right?
Co-wife, I don't know. Huh? What is Masharada? I can't hear you. Can't hear you.
Can you hear me now?
Yes.
Polygamy would be to have many many wives.
What is that?
Polygamy.
Polygamy.
P-L-O-Y. Yeah.
More than one wife.
Yeah.
But what are those wives are called? Each other.
They're just wives.
Yeah.
All of his wives. I don't know that they have an individual name.
Mm-hmm. So here they are called sapatni. Next one. Srishtva purani vivedanyajayatmashaktiya वृक्षान् सरीसृप पशून् खगदन्दशूकान् तैस्तैरतुष्टहृदयः पुरुषं विधाय ब्रह्मावलोकधिषणं मुदमापदेवः सृष्ट्वा पुराणि विविधानि अजया आत्मशक्त्या वृक्षान् सरीसृपपशून् खगदन्दशूकान् तैः अतुष्टहृदयः पुरुषं विधाय ब्रह्मा अवलोकधिषणं मुदम् आप देवः. पुनः मनुष्यशरीरस्य महत्त्वं वर्णयति अत्र. सृष्ट्वा पुराणि विविधानि. मनुष्यशरीरस्य महत्त्वं means the importance of human body. साधनशरीरम् इत्युच्यते. So this is important for sadhana. सृष्ट्वा पुराणि विविधानि. Purani means grahani or the dwellings, right? Where it is fit to live. Purani, like pura means the nagaram or
Body.
body.
Dehaha.
Atra Purani, the place where one can live. Srishtva Purani Vividhani. So various. Vividhani Purani Srishtva. O Brahma. Brahma iti Kartrupadamasti. Brahma Purani Vividhani Srishtva. So he created Srishtva. Vividhani Srishtva. Sarjanam Krutva. He created many different bodies before. Srishtva. Anya Vedhani. Ajaya Atmashaktya. Atmashaktya Ajaya. Atra Brahma means what? Parabrahma. Also Chaturmukha Brahma. Parabrahma. Paramatma. Atmashaktya Ajaya. Atmashaktya means what? Atmashakti. Sama.
His own
Swashakti.
Tasya Shaktiya.
Swasya Shaktya, Swasamarthya, Annesham Ashayam.
Purani?
Purani means Dehaha, Sharirani. Sharirani, bodies. Atmashaktya, Swasamarthya, Swasamarthena. Anantaram Ajaya means Aja iti Strilinga Shabdah. Taya. Who is Aja?
Parvati.
Amara. I mean like which is eternal.
Maya iti artha atra. Eternal also. Eternal. But who is eternal actually? Aja. Who is Aja? Yasyaha janma nasti. Kada janma api nasti.
Ajaya.
Maranam api nasti. Sa eva Paramatmanah Prakritihi. Paramatmanantam Prakriti. So only those two are indestructible forever. So that Aja, Paramatma Tatha or so he is the real Purusha, right? Purusha Tatha Prakriti. So that is a Paramatatvam Tatha Prakriti. Tasya Paramatmanah Prakriti means in the what do you call that? No, Sarupa. In the Sarupa form, it would be Narayana and Lakshmi atra, because Lakshmi is the Maya Swarupa Shakti. Sapi Prakriti Rupa Aja. So Atma Shaktya. Tasyaha Upadana Karanam Krutva Saha Purani Srishtavan Purvam. बहूनि पुराणि सृष्टवान् विविधानि पुराणि सृष्टवान् पूर्वं कथं वृक्षान् उदाहरणं वृक्षाणां सृष्टिम् अकरोत् अनन्तरं सरीसृपान् all these reptiles सरीसृपान् पशून् different animals and khaga birds and dandashukan those who bite like the ants or the insects, dandashukan, and taihi kitan. So this overall means he has created different types of bodies, and in each type of body actually what taihi atushta hridaya. So even after creating those different bodies for different animals and the trees, atushta hridaya taihi means by them atushta hridaya santushta na bhavat tasya srishti tushti na bhavat means he was not happy. Purusham vidhaya anantaram kim akarot saha kasya sarjanam akarot purusham purusha shariram manusya shariram manava shariram sharirasya srishtim sarjanam akarot tada brahma saha अवलोकधिषणं पुरुषं विधाय मुदमापदेव केवलं कंचित् पुरुषं that purusha he created with the intent of avalokadhishanam. What is avaloka? Brahmavalokadhishanam. The Brahma you can add it to this also. Brahmavalokadhishanam. Ityukte brahmanah avalokadhishanam. Brahmanah avalokaya Dishanam. Dishana means again graham. Abode. Can say Dishanam. Dishana means abode. So avaloka brahmana avalokaya Dishanam ityukte again abode like purameva shariram iti atra arthaha. So the one he created a Purusha Sharira, which with the intent of that it is the only kind of Sharira which is capable. Samarthyam asti kim kartum Brahmavalokanam kartum. Yes? Brahma vicharam kartum. So who is Brahma? What is Brahma Sakshatkara?
Dishanam I could not get.
Dishanam means abode, like Shariram. Abode. Again a dwelling place. So Brahmana avalokanaaya yasya samarthyam asti tadrusha sharirasya sarjanam srishtim krutva devaha mudamapa. Devaha trapi asti. So I forgot that. Deva is the kartrupadamatra. So that Brahma goes with the avalokadesha. So Brahmanah means Brahmanah avalokadeshanam vicharam athva sakshatkaram kartum yogyam asti etat shariram purusha shariram iti tasya srishtim krutva devaha saha paramatma mudamapa mudam ityukte santosham praptavan tat paryantam tasya tushtihi eva nasit. So अत्र अस्माकं पुराणेषु तथा उपनिषत्सु अपि कथा bhavati kim bhavati. So actually Paramatma tried to create all these different shariras, but he was not happy, and So actually what happened, he created different Sharira to dwell on this Bhuloka. When he created different Sharira, then the different uh, gods, right? The gods, they entered those Sharira. Different gods means those like Indra, Agni, Vayu, Varuna, etc., Yama, all those gods, they entered that Sharira because the gods, they enter the Sharira to instigate the activities in the Sharira, different activities. So entered these different Shariras which were created, they were also not happy. I mean, some of the gods were able to perform their whatever they wanted to do activities in those certain Shariras, but all of them they were not able to do their activities. And especially Lakshmi, like actually, then at one stage, this was created, cow. Cow. Okay. So cow, in the cow, most of them they were accommodated, but still they were not happy because it was still incomplete, imperfect. And there is a story that Lakshmi is called Pushpang Karishni. Karishni is Karishni, right? In the Sri Suktam. Karishni. What is Karisha? Karisha is the Karisha. Does anybody know?
Mahoday,
Huh? Karisha.
Karisha.
Karisha. Karisha. Karisha is that the cow's poop. Okay?
Oh,
Cow's poop. Lakshmi, actually when all the other gods, they enter the cow's body and dwell there, there a story goes that there was no place for Lakshmi in that body. So Lakshmi entered the cow's poop. The cow's poop is the Lakshmi Sannidhan. Yeah. See how all our stories, they relate to that. They say Lakshmi, that importance is given to even the cow's poop. The cow's poop. Why? Because today it has been scientifically proven that the cow's poop has a lot of medicinal properties.
purifies, yeah.
Hmm? See, that's where the connection goes with all our stories, right? It's not just like a mythical story. They have their significance there. But anyway, so after that, when Purushasya, Manavasya body was created, all the gods, they entered and they were completely happy. This is the perfect Sharira. And they did not want to leave that Sharira because they are still perfect for, they understood this is the only body where sadhana Sharira, Brahmavalokadesanam. So sadhana, what kind of sadhana? I mean, ब्रह्मावलोकनमेव साधना ब्रह्मणः परब्रह्मणः अवलोकनम् इत्युक्ते तस्य साक्षात्कारं कर्तुं यत् साधनम् आवश्यकं. So that is only Purusha Sharira is capable of that. Manav Sharira. Purusha is not male body. Any Purusha, Purusheteti Purusha. So the Manav Sharira is capable human body. So all others, Ruksha, etc., they have some certain capability, but not the Brahma. So the Vichara Shakti, logical, whatever you call it, consciousness, complete consciousness is in this human body.
So Mahoday, that means we are all born after trees, animals,
Yes.
Sanantarameva. Huh? So we
Evolution.
are, okay. animals are purvam. They have a long life.
Yeah, long life. Yeah. लब्ध्वा सुदुर्लभमिदं बहु सम्भवान्ते मानुष्यम् अर्थदम् अनित्यमपीह धीरः तूढं यतेत न पतेदनमृत्यो यावन्निःश्रेयसाय विषयः खलु सर्वतः स्यात्. पुनः विषयभोगस्य निन्दनम् अत्र. लब्ध्वा सुदुर्लभमिदं, सो एतेषां सर्वं वर्णनं. कथा इदानीं कथाश्रवणमभवत्, कथाश्रावणमपि भवत्. So he explained all the narrated all the katha, it's how human body is important, all we heard now. Listen to them. So now labdha sudurlabham idam. So that kind of shariram idanim sudurlabham. Durlabham asti. Sudurlabham. Kevalam durlabham nasti. Sudurlabham. This is very difficult to get this kind of body. Labdha. So that kind of body we have got. Bahu sambhavante. Bahu sambhava. Bahu janmante. Bahu janmani. कथानि अत्र संभवं जन्म बहु जन्मानि संभवान्ते इदानीं. so that is the story, right? 84 lakhs of yoni. After that मनुष्य शरीरम् इदानीं प्राप्तं. मानुष्यम् इत्युक्ते मानव शरीरं प्राप्तम् अर्थदम्. मीन्स् पुरुषार्थ प्राप्तिदायकं. पुरुषार्थानां प्राप्तिः भवति. अर्थदायकं. अर्थदं मीन्स् वाट् एवर् वी डिसैर् इट् कैन गिव् अस्. परन्तु अनित्यम् अपि अस्ति. इट् इस् नाट् लैक् फॉर एवर इट् इस् गोइंग टू बी वित् अस्. अपि इह धीरः, one who is persistent, one who is patient. अपि इह धीरः तूणं यतेत. तूणम् इत्युक्ते शीघ्रमेव यतेत, प्रयत्नं कुर्यात्. सः न पतेत् अनुमृत्यु यावन्. अनुमृत्युमिति मृत्युं प्रति, टुवर्ड्स् मृत्यु. मृत्यु हियर् मीन्स् नाश, मीन्स् अधोगति. न पतेत् तस्य मार्गे, अधःपतनस्य मार्गे न पतेत्, न गच्छेत्. इदानीम् उत्तमयत्नं कुर्यात्, शीघ्रमेव कुर्यात्. निःश्रेयसाय विषयः खलु सर्वतः. यावत् निःश्रेयसाय. सो हियर् इस् अ पास्. निःश्रेयसाय यतेत. निःश्रेयस इत्युक्ते श्रेयोमार्गे गच्छेत्. अधःपतनम् अधोमार्गे न गच्छेत्. यतः श्रेयः भवति तत्रैव तादृशप्रयत्नं कुर्यात्. सो विषयः खलु सर्वतः स्यात् इति अत्र उक्तिः. विषयः इत्युक्ते विषयभोगः खलु सर्वतः स्यात्. सर्वत्र सर्वतः. सर्वतः इत्युक्ते किम्? अन्येषु योनिषु. इत्युक्ते अन्येषु शरीरेषु विषयभोगः भवत्येव. तत्र स्यात्. It is not. If you lose this, you can get other bodies, other jarma, other body, but tatra vishaya bhoga. So there you can get all kind of vishaya, or vishaya bhoga. So you can get the granendriya, all other like druk, all that vishaya bhoga bhavati. But what is not possible, what is special about this deha, manushya means manushya sharirasya speciality kim? Vishesha ka tatra. It is only sudurlabham. Sadhanam ta brahmavalokana samarthyam atrayo bhavati. एवं संजात वैराग्यो विज्ञानलोकात्मनि विचरामि महीमेता मुक्तसंगो अहंकृतः. एवं इदानीं अवधूतस्य वचनम्. एवं संजात वैराग्यः. सो एतत् सर्वं विज्ञाय, so understanding all this पूर्वं यत् कथितम् अस्ति तत् सर्वं Vijnaya Sanjata Vairagya. So Vairagyam Sanjatamasti Mame Mahi Atmani Vijnanalokaha Atmani Vijnanalokaha Aham Idanim Vijnanam Praptavan Vijnanam Avalokitavan means Praptavan. So Drashta Aham Drashta Asmi. So I have properly understood what is good, what is not good, what is anityam, what is shashvatam. So that I understood. Atmani Vijnana Lokaha Vicharami Mahimetam. Mahimetam. So by after understanding all this, so I don't have any interest or a desire or entanglement in Bhuvi. Mahim etam Bhulokam etam Vicharami Sarvatra Patami Mukta Sangaha Sangaha Kutrachatapi Nasti Anahankritaha Ahankaraha Api Nasti Aham Mama iti Mamakaraha Nasti Evam Aham Sarvatra Vicharami.
Mahimitam?
Mahimetam. Mahi means what? Mahi means Bholoka.
Prithvi.
Mahi means big?
Prithvi. Mahipati, Mahipati means Raja, right? Mahi means Prithvi. Etam Vicharami, Sarvatra Vicharami. न हि एकस्मात् गुरो ज्ञानं सुस्थिरं स्यात् सुपुष्कलम् ब्रह्म एतद् अद्वितीयं वै गीयते बहुधर्षिभिः. Wahi.
Wahi is drinking.
न हि एकस्मात् गुरोः ज्ञानं सुस्थिरं स्यात् सुपुष्कलम् और सुपुष्कलम् ब्रह्म एतद् अद्वितीयं वै गीयते बहुधा ऋषिभिः. बहुधर्षिभिः means बहुधा ऋषिभिः. न हि एकस्मात् गुरोः ज्ञानम्. एकस्मात् गुरोः गुरो इति पंचमे विभक्ति अत्र एकस्मात् गुरोः फ्रॉम वन गुरु ज्ञानं सुस्थिरं न स्यात्. So if you are, so means you should try to get the jnana from different sources. Means to so then it becomes susthiram if you get jnana from different sources, so that you can cross check and verify, and then what happens, then you become susthiram, then asamshaya tatra samshaya na bhavati. Otherwise if you are just referring to one source, then what happens, then that could be samshaya karanam bhavitum arhati. So if the jnani athva jijnasu सुस्थिरं तस्य ज्ञानं भवेत् तर्हि किं कुर्यात्, भिन्न भिन्न गुरवः सन्ति अथवा ज्ञानस्रोतः भवति, ततः तज्ज्ञानस्रोतांसि भवति, तेभ्यः ज्ञानं सम्पादयेत्. But he should also verify it himself or herself. Sat supushkalam. Supushkalam means pushkala. Marathi word, right? Pushkala. बहु इति विस्तृतम् इति. So supushkalam sustiram bhavati means it becomes what called wide, not wide.
Bhushruta? Bhushruta?
Pushkala.
Bhushruta.
Paripurnam.
Paripurnam means you have got large
ample.
Ample, correct, ample. And because then you get to know a lot of things. So this is again the So if somebody reads like one Purana or one Upanishad or even one Ramayana, or just Mahabharata, so what happens is because then the jnana may not be complete, and because there is not enough, not getting the correct word, there is not enough base to support. Because when you read another Purana, there could be contradiction there, because something else, there is some story is told in a different way, or something different way. So when paripurna jnani katam bhavati, when they get jnana from many sources, when they can compare and say anvaya, so they can relate to each other, and then only they can understand it completely. Okay. So that is very difficult, but at least yateta prayatnam kuryat. So brahma etad advityam. So what happens after that? Brahma etad advitiyam. Brahma etad. Brahma katham asti? Brahma etad atra. It is clear. Brahma iti etad iti asti karanat advitiyam api asti. Giyate iti कर्मणि प्रयोगः कृत्वा ब्रह्मा इति नपुंसकलिङ्गप्रयोगः इत्युक्ते परब्रह्म परमात्मा एतद् एषः परमात्मा अद्वितीयः मीन्स् सेकेण्ड् टु नन् मीन्स् he is the only one of kind. So इति गीयते बहुधा ऋषिभिः इत्युक्ते ज्ञानिभिः बहुधा मीन्स बहु प्रकारेण बहु प्रकारैः गीयते सः. ऋषिस् आर् आल्वेस् प्रेसिङ्ग् तस्य कीर्तनं कुर्वन्ति अद्वितीयं ब्रह्म इति. Okay, if we get time, we'll get into it, other discussion here. किमस्ति एकं सत्यं विप्रा बहुधा वदन्ति. So that वेदोक्तिः एकं सत्, right? एकं सत् विप्रा बहुधा वदन्ति. There is only one sat. So that is referring to one sat. Only one sat means one Brahma. Vipra bahudha vadanti. Vipra tatra ityukte jnaniनः bahudha vadanti. They varnayanti in different angles, different forms. Shri Bhagavan Vacha. इदानीं समाप्तं कस्य अवधूतस्य वचनं समाप्तं. श्री भगवान् पुनः अवधूतस्य वचनं कस्य प्रति आसीत्, कं प्रति आसीत्? यदुराजस्य प्रति. So that is all over done. That's all done. इदानीं पुनः कृष्णेन उक्तम् इदानीं कं प्रति? उद्धवस्य प्रति. कृष्णस्य वचनं पुनः उद्धवस्य प्रति. उद्धवान् ये उद्धव इत्युक्त्वा स यदुं विप्रः तमामन्त्र्य गभीरधीः वन्दितः स्वर्चितः राज्ञा ययौ प्रीतो यथागतम्. So Yadu Maharaja was asking this Avadhuta, and Avadhuta was explaining all this, these 24 gurus. So all those 24 gurus are over, and then he also concluded Shri Bhagavan Vacha Kyam iti uktva saha ka Avadhutah yadum uktva sarvam idanim katayitva vipraha saha Avadhutah तम् आमन्त्र्य गभीरधीः गभीरधीः इत्युक्ते गम्भीरधीः इत्युक्ते बहु धीः ज्ञानं गभीर मीन्स् बहु पुष्कलज्ञानमस्ति अगेन् मिस्टर् गभीर मीन्स् डीप् रैट् डीप् ज्ञानमस्ति सः कः विप्रः अवधूतः कम् आमन्त्र्य यदुम् आमन्त्र्य आमन्त्र्य मीन्स् वाट् आमन्त्र्य comes many places, right? In
Farewell.
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 Mama mantra.
Mama
mantra.
Amantra.
खलु महोदय
Sambodhanam. It is generally right. Amantrya. That culture has continued. That practice has continued even today, right? When somebody leaves, what do we say? At least in Indian culture, when somebody is leaving,
come again or see again.
Come again. Right?
Come again.
Don't say goodbye. Yeah.
Come again, or I'll come again. Yeah, something like that, right? I'll see you again. So here, Viprata Amantra. So the Amantra means actually calling. So that is like the translation. Amantra. I'll come again. Tam Amantra. So the Amantra, this word is very frequently used in, look into wherever, at least the Mahabharata, Purana. Amantra means whenever somebody is leaving. Amantra means, so somebody is leaving, I say, Amantra. Amantra means maybe we are calling them to our house. I'm leaving now your house. You also come to our house. Amantra. So, Gapiradihi Saha Yani Vanditaha. So he was also respected. Vanditaha. Who? Sahakaha, the Vipra. Vandita. She was respected. And Swarchitaha. Again, Archana. Tasya Puja. Satkutaha. Rajna. Yaduna. Yadu Maharajena. Satkutah Saha. Yayau Pritaha Yathagatam. So how he had met him or came to meet Yadu. In the same way, Yathagatam Pritaha, he was happy. And then Yayau. Yayau means he left. He Tatra Katavan Tataha. So after all this conversation, he left that place. Yathagatam, as he came. Just as he came, he left. Tama shloka, the last one of this 9th adhyaya, Navama adhyaya, Antima shloka. अवधूतवच श्रुत्वा पूर्वेषां नः स पूर्वजः सर्वसङ्गविर्मुक्तः समचित्तो बभूवः. अवधूतवचः श्रुत्वा, अवधूतवच means वचनानि, अवधूतवचनानि श्रुत्वा. पूर्वेषां नः सः पूर्वजः. सः पूर्वेषां नः इत्युक्ते अस्माकं मम मे आवयोः न अस्माकं नः अस्माकं पूर्वेषां सः पूर्वजः अस्माकं पूर्वेषां सः पूर्वजः अवधूतवच श्रुत्वा तस्य अवधूतस्य वचनानि श्रुत्वा अस्माकं सः अस्माकं पूर्वेषां पूर्वजः. So who is telling this to whom? Krishna is telling to Uddhav. So Krishna is telling the last one, Avadhuta Vacha. So after listening to all this Avadhuta words, so our forefathers' father, means because this Yadu was a forefather of Krishna and Uddhava also. Uddhava also is in the same clan. They're also like cousins, and so there are a lot of branches within the Yadus. So this Krishna and Uddhava, they are related, and then for both of them, in the many generations before, this Yadu was there. Right? After Yadu only that Yadava Kula has come, right? Yadava. So Yadava Kula, Yadavamsha was branched. It has branched into many smaller branches. And then so Yadu is the original. Purvesham Nafsa Purja. So in that Purvajanamapi, Purveshamapi Sa Purja. So before us also there were generations, Deshamapi, so he was the Purja. Before that, this was the father of them also. So Saha Yaduhu Avadhuta Vachashrutva, Vachanashrutva, Sarva Sangha Vinirmukta, so api Jnanam Praptavan, Brahma Jnanam Praptavan, Saha Sarva Sangha Vinirmukta, Puna Vishaya Sangat, Samsara Sangat, Mohat Vinirmukta. So when he was so Mukta, Bandha Mukta Saha, Samachitta Bhavuvaha. Samachitta itukte calm-minded. Chitta is the deeper part of the mind. So when it becomes calm, it becomes really completely calm. Samachitta Bhavuvaha. When the deep jnana is there, then this kind of samachitta is possible. So then he doesn't, again, Sangha Vinamukta Asti, Mukti Asti iti Karanat, he is not going to Dveshamapi na karoti, Kasminapi, Adhika Sangamapi na karoti, Kasminapi, Snehamapi na karoti. So he just lives there. Samachitta Bhavuva, he became Samachitta Ha. What is Ha?
It's indeed or certainly.
Like a Ascharya-vachak padam, right? Or sometimes it also used for Nischayatmaka padam, Bhavuvaha. Means after telling all this story, Krishna is also saying, finally he became Sarva Sangha Nirmukta Samachitta iti. So
Uddhava Bhavuva or Krishna Bhavuva?
Yadu Bhavu.
Yadu.
Purvaja. Purveshamapi Purvaja. So who was the Purvaja of our forefathers? Even our forefathers, because there are many generations in between Yadu and Krishna and Uddhava. So
all the Purvajas are Sarva Sangam Nirmukta.
no, not all Purvaja. Only Yadu. Only about Yadu. Yadu, who is the Purvaja of our forefathers, he became Sarvasanga Vinirmukta after listening to all the Avadhuta's narration, and then he became Samachitta, balanced or calm-minded, and he Bhavuvaha. So he became that's Samachitta. So
Krishna telling Uddhava not to worry by the path.
Yeah. Not to worry. So this is again Uddhava Gita, not only worry, and
Two more shlokas in the end.
Generally,
Yeah. Just a little more.
like Arjuna, like he was preaching Arjuna on the Kurukshetra battlefield, that he is telling Arjuna that don't worry about and all that. that the war, what is the result of the war. But through that means he is also giving a lot of other jnana, right? Wisdom, knowledge here about generally about how to act, how to vartanam katam kuryat atra, jivanam katam kuryat, and also somewhere also in the middle also it shows about srishti katam abhat. So all those again principles come here. Brahmanaha gunaha ke iti, tasya sarupam kimiti, paramatmana. So all those principles or those things are atra gratitaha santi, protaha santi. So they are all in this kind of stories. Veda Vyasa has built all those principles here, right? Tattvan. So here also by means of Uddhava, in that story, Krishna, through Krishna's mouth, Veda Vyasa is writing or composing all this as he understood what happened, right? Because he was a contemporary at the same time. Samachitto Bhakuvat. So he is also, Krishna is, at the end he is saying that to Uddhava, you also, like by means of Uddhava, for everybody, all the Manushas also, we should also Sarvasanga Vinirmukta Bhaveyuhu Samachitta Bhaveyuhu iti tasya Upadeshaha, Sri Krishna Upadeshaha iti Navamatyaya Samaptaha. Sri Krishna Arpanamastu. Stop here.
धन्यवादः
धन्यवाद
महोदय
Wonderful.
next week no